What's up friends, welcome back to Joe tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use DeepSeek on your Android phone. Go ahead and open up your Play Store on your phone, guys, and here you want to go ahead and use the search and simple type in DeepSeek. Right, you will be able to search for it and you will find DeepSeek on your phone. So as you can see here, you have the DeepSeek up here. You can simple tap on install and you can install this AI assistant very quickly on your Android phone. Now, not only am I going to show you how to install it, but I'm going to show you how to use it, and you will be able to see the power of how good DeepSeek is. So go ahead and open up it. Once it installed, click and agree. You can sign in quickly with your Gmail account. If you have a Gmail, you will be able to choose your email address and click on sign in from here. Now, once it is done, you have DeepSeek available to you. Now, you can start using it on your phone immediately. Now, how do you do it? In order to use this, you want to first enable the deep thinking R1 model. You can see it in the lower left hand side. Once you tap on that, it becomes blue and you can type it and ask it whatever you want. So I'm going to simply ask it a question. Have a look at the series of numbers. What number should come next? And simply hit on the uppermost right hand side arrow, which is the blue one, and it's going to go ahead and it's going to start to work. And as you can see, it's currently thinking right here, guys, and it's going to be interesting because I actually have the answer to this question here on my browser, which I'm going to show you in a moment here. So let's allow DeepSeek to think about it and then come up with the answer. It's incredible how it's actually thinking, guys, because it's going through the entire process of analyzing and thinking, and then it's going to come about to the answer. That's simply mind blowing. I've never seen anything like this. As you can see here, it's arriving at the answer, and the answer is 22. Now have a look at this. If I go to my browser here, you can see that I have the question and the answer, and that it is actually 22 right here for the question 2. How amazing is that? So guys, that's it. That's how easy it is to install, how easy it is to use DeepSeek on your Android phone. Very easy and very simple, guys. Hope you found this useful, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, hit that subscribe button, and thank you guys for watching.